And I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today, through online platform, I would like to share my views on how a commercial RO plants be a changing life decision. If you're aware about the scarcity of pure water in India, then you must be more careful about the consumption of water. Everyone has a basic right of consume the fresh water and food and have a proper lifestyle. That is why whenever we talk about the commercial sectors, for example, malls, schools, hotels, offices, we always have a concern whether we are going to have access to a pure water or not. That is why everyone tries to consume and take the water which we brought from the home. But nowadays, as per the temperature, that water is very less to consume because we need much more water. In that situation, we really need that commercial sector start installing the commercial RO plant, because commercial RO plants is a plant that treats the impure water, the polluted water, and remove all the contaminants, toxins, and many impurities from the water and give you the pure water to get access. Commercial RO plants not only does this, it is also a cost-effective method for everyone, even for the commercial sectors. They are the benefit which have the low maintenance and easy to operate. Commercial RO plants have changed the life of the people. It helps the people in leading the healthy lifestyle even while working, even while traveling, and many more while doing any work in any commercial sectors. If I take an example of a student going to study in a school, school is a commercial enterprise where every student is thirsty and he wants to drink the water. What if the water gets ended, which he brought from the home? Then he must run through the school's water. But if the water will be toxicated and it will be polluted, then the student will not be able to attend the future classes because he will get ill. Therefore, if a school install a commercial RO plants, then every student will lead a healthy life and will able to continue their studies without any hassle. Therefore, commercial RO plants not only give you a right to get an access to your pure water, but it also gives you a right to lead a healthy life even while doing the work. If you have any query related to commercial RO plants, you feel free to contact the Netsol Water Solutions. As I described, the Netsol Water Solution is a renowned company in the water treatment plants. We provide you the best and the cost-effective commercial RO plants which can treat the water. If you want to know something more about commercial RO plants, feel free to contact Netsol Water Solutions. Our services are open 24/7. In the end, I would like to say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.